When most people hear business credit, they assume it works the same way as personal credit, but it doesn't. Today, I'm breaking down the beginner's guide to business credit and how it actually works. First, business credit is separate from your personal credit. Once your business is properly set up with an EIN, it can begin building its own credit profile. This helps limit personal risk and gives your business more flexibility over time. Second, structure matters. Lenders typically look for a registered business entity like an LLC or corporation, a business bank account, and consistent activity. Even small details like matching business names and addresses across records can make a difference. Third, trade lines are the foundation. Many businesses start building credit by working with vendors that report payment history to business credit bureaus. Making on-time payments helps establish credibility. Fourth, payment behavior is key. Business credit is heavily influenced by how reliably a business pays its obligations. Paying on time or early builds trust with lenders. Fifth, business credit supports future financing. Strong business credit can help improve access to funding options, better terms, and more flexibility as your business grows. Building business credit takes time, but starting early puts your business in a much stronger position later. If you want to understand what lenders typically review when evaluating a business, I put together a free guide called 10 Things Lenders Look For Before Approving You. Just comment "Get Me Funds" below and I'll send it to you. You can also learn more about business funding at getmefunds.com.